Hello everyone. Today I have a very useful video for you. If you are trying to use advanced text messaging features, but your phone says RCS chat not supported inside Google Messages, you are missing out on high-quality photo sharing and typing indicators. I will show you exactly how to clear your carrier cache and reset your network settings to get those rich communication services working immediately. Let's get started. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open your Quick Settings panel and tap the Airplane Mode icon to turn it on. We need to completely disconnect your phone from the cellular network right now. This prevents any background signal interference while we clear out the buggy system files causing the RCS connection error. Next, open your phone's main Settings app. Scroll down to the Apps or App Management section and use the search bar to find the Messages app by Google. Tap to open its app info, go to the Storage section and hit Clear Cache. Go back to your full app list, tap the top menu to show System Apps, and search for Carrier Services. If you don't have this, you can quickly download it for free from the Play Store. Then open its storage and clear its cache as well. Doing this removes any corrupt temporary data that is blocking your phone from securely connecting to the Google RCS servers. Now, stay in your app settings and navigate over to the Default Apps or Choose Default Apps section. Tap on SMS app and double-check that Google Messages is officially selected as your main messaging application. Once that's confirmed, pull down your notification shade to turn airplane mode back off. Then hold down your phone's power button to completely restart your device so these fresh settings can actively take effect. Finally, after your phone boots back up and connects to the internet, open the Google Messages app and tap your profile picture in the top corner to access your message settings. Tap on RCS chats, toggle the top switch off for just a moment, and then toggle it right back on to force a brand new connection request. Your phone will verify your number. You will then see that your RCS chats are now fully supported and successfully connected to the network. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.